To the moon, I've been grinding, no sleep. Every loss turn lessons on me. Used to pray for a chance, now I eat. Now the stars feel close when I breathe. To the moon, I ain't stopping my route. They ain't see me when I had doubts. Now they watch every move that I make, same road I walk when I was down and out. To the moon, I kept faith through the pain. Had to hustle in the cold and the rain. I ain't flexing, I survived the storm. Now the whole world know my name. Yeah, I remember them days on the floor, mattress, phone off, pockets empty, stress heavy. Friends disappear when the rent due, only thing stayed was my vision steady. I was writing plans in a dark room while the city lights passed the window. Every setback turned motivation, pain turned fuel for the engine. I learned patience from starvation, I learned focus from isolation. Had nobody I could lean on, so I built my own foundation. Outdoor alone, but my mind clear. Every step I took got me right here. I ain't bitter, I just leveled up, now my future looking crystal clear, yeah. Yeah, to the moon, I've been grinding, no sleep. Every loss turned lessons on me. Used to pray for a chance, now I eat. Now the stars feel close when I breathe. Yeah, to the moon, I ain't stopping my route. They ain't see me when I had doubts. Now they watch every move that I make, same road I walk when I was down and out. To the moon, that they flex like the plane. Out there hustling in the cold and the rain. I ain't flexing, I survived the storm. Now the whole world know my name. Yeah, late nights I was moving strategic. Stay quiet, just working my season. People laugh when I spoke my goals. Now they saying they always believed it. I was broke, but my mind rich. Dreams bigger than the time spent. I invested in myself first. That decision changed my whole life quick. I ain't rushed, I calculated steps. Stayed humble through the disrespect. I was patient through every test. Now success finally intersect. I don't brag, I just elevate. Hard times taught me regulate. When you start from the bottom level, every win feel heavyweight. Yeah, look at the sky, I used to stare at it. Now I feel like I'm close to touching it. Every tear, every loss, every night awake, all of it turned into something. I ain't going back, no way. I done walked through too much pain. Now I move with purpose daily, success running in my veins. To the moon, I was tension for years. Had to fight through the doubts and fears. Nobody saw the behind the scenes, all the struggle and hidden tears. To the moon, it kept faith alive. Even days I barely survived. Now I breathe and I smile more. I finally feel alive. To the moon, now my family good. Everything happened like I said it would. I ain't lucky, I just stayed down when nobody understood. Yeah, I was lost but I found direction. Turned pain into my protection. Every setback gave me wisdom. Every failure taught correction. I don't chase validation, I just work with dedication. Cause the people that doubt the loudest be the ones watching your elevation. Stay solid, kept discipline, even when hope was getting thin. Now my story motivation for the ones tryna rise again. The climb hard, but the view worth it. Every scar got a purpose. I appreciate every breath now, cause the struggle made me earn it. To the moon, now my family good. Everything happened like I said it would. I ain't lucky, I just stayed down when nobody understood. Yeah. Started at the bottom floor, now I'm looking down at earth. Every prayer got answered slowly, I just trusted in the word. We ain't stopping here, we still going hard.